Hello everyone, my name is Jackie.
In this video, I'm showing you guys the updated guide on downloading and installing FSR 3.0 Frame Generation Mod for 20 and 30 series GPUs in DLSS 3 supported games. In the previous video, that method is probably already obsolete or not always working. So let's get started.
Firstly, open your browser and go to this Nexus Mods page, or just click the link in the description. We will still be using the Nukem's mod because it's absolutely free. Click on the Files tab. You will see these three main files. Previously, we used this first option, but this time around we are going with this universal version. It works better with the game compatibility, so click on the manual download button to download it. If you can't see this slow download button, that means you need to create an account or just log in if you already have one. When you have done, start downloading it. Extract the file and then open it. You will see all of these folders. The one that we will be using is inside this DLL version folder. Copy these two files and then go to your game installation directory that has the official DLSS 3 support. You need to find the game executable file and then just paste the files that you have copied in the same folder with this .exe file. And you are done. No need to mess around with the registry tweak. None of that. Very easy. You can also install the mod in Unreal Engine games as long as the games support the DLSS 3, but you need to find the executable file that has Win64 shipping in the file name. Paste the mod files here and you are done. It's just to be super safe so that the game can easily detect the mod. Remember that this mod only works in single-player games. Don't use this mod in online games, especially games that have the anti-cheat system. That's it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it does, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye!